The bunker bed is a double bed and is very easy to use. First, you must remove the ladder located at the top and set it aside. Then, you're going to slide the large board of the bed forward until it locks into place where it should go. Open the ladder by sliding the pieces upwards. Each step locks into place once in position. The ladder should be placed at the left end of the bed, never in the center. When you're not using it, you can store it beside the sofa so it doesn't get in the way. The bunk bed has 2 small windows and a trunk where you can store your things during the trip. And it has a light for when you need privacy. When you're preparing to depart, don't forget to close the bed and place the ladder on top of it for storage. This way, there's no risk of it falling in case of an accident. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this, and the most important, don't forget to enjoy the ride. See you soon.